Good morning, dear students. This is Pole Science chapter Working of Institution Class 9, and this is part 1, an introductory lecture to this chapter. So, first of all, what are institutions? Institutions are the bodies, these are the bodies that work for the masses. Masses means number of people. And why do we need these political institutions in our country? To govern the country, second, to issue orders to various departments, then to conduct the programs of social welfare, working of political machinery, and to control it. So overall, to take all the policy decisions in the country, we need institutions. And for all such kind of functions, we have the main body, which is parliament. And parliament consists of three constituents. First is president. President is the head of the state here means country. And second is Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is also known as lower house of the parliament, and the total number of members in Lok Sabha are 545 members. And third part is Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is also known as upper house of the parliament, and total maximum number of members here are 250. So remember, parliament is a legislative body that frames the laws. And next is organs of government. There are three organs of government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Remember, legislature frames the laws, executive executes the laws, and judiciary protects the laws. Legislature, the laws are made in the parliament. First, a bill is introduced in any of these houses, and that bill is passed by these two houses, and then it goes to the president, and when president signs the bill, it becomes a law. You can take example this example of the recent agricultural bills. These have been passed by both of these houses, and it has been signed by the president now.